All right. Hi, everyone. Today I'm with Dom, and we're going to be covering a new company called Toast. Dom's going to share his screen and he'll look over what the company does, how it makes money.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, let me know if you can see my screen.
Perfect. Yeah.
Cool. So Toast is basically kind of just like a cloud slash hardware software company. It was started in 2012. Think of it kind of like as a POS system for a lot of restaurants and service industry. So when you go to buy something and you have to put your card up somewhere to pay, you're probably using a Toast service. They also offer services for like order management and things like that. License their software. So if you already have the hardware, you can still use the Toast systems on your own hardware and you pay a licensing fee. So basically, their goal is just to kind of get their systems in all the restaurants. So that way, no matter how they need to be used, whether it's for payment processing or order management, things like that, they can kind of corner the market. Um, Nothing else really to mention about them. So I'll let Matt take over and kind of go over the financials about them.
All right. Thanks, Dom. Appreciate it.
No problem.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen as well. And we are first going to take a look at the earnings report on the company. So as you could see here, this came out for Q2 of 2025. That came out August 5th. And the company's revenue increased about 24% or 24%, surpassing analyst estimates of 1.52 billion. Total reported earnings came at 13 cents, missing the estimate by 23 cents. So that was a big miss. And the stock has been not great for quite a while. Now, if we check the growth prospects of the company, Toast is forecast to grow earnings and revenue by 30% and 14.8% per annum, respectively. EPS is expected to grow, let's just round it up to 30%. The company's estimated return on equity is 3 years and it is 19.8%, and revenue growth 24, like I said, last quarter. So that does look good, and Tipranks will reflect that in a second. But just take a look at the previous free cash flow growth. It's quite good, admittedly. 2021 negative 17 million, now positive 508 million. Quite a rate of growth here. So really good to see. Now, if you check Simply Wall Street, the story isn't as good as it once was. So, like I said, it was negative whatever million, negative a couple million, and now positive 508 million. But the future, end of 2027, early 2028, doesn't look good. So right now, 508 million, and it's going to go to 885 million, which is still not quite the double that you're looking for. So it should be really a billion or a billion and over. Sometimes if the company's really good, like what we saw with AMD, was triple this in the next 3 years. So you do have to be a little bit careful that growth is actually slowing. Now, if we check the financial health of the company, I'm going to pull that up in a second. Financial health really is quite remarkable. No debt, a lot of cash, a lot of equity. So I could probably understand why people would be fairly bullish on the company. And this is just going to reinforce the idea here, which is my DCF, it's going to be 71% undervalued. This is based off historical growth. If we use Wall Street forecast is going to be 31% overvalued. So I think it is undervalued, actually. I would agree with historical growth because Tipranks is going to say the same thing here. It's going to say, well, it's not quite as bullish, but it's going to still say it's 43% upside. You have moderate buy, 10 buy, 7 holds. Right now it's 35 bucks a share, low of 40, average of $51. So I think it looks okay. I would understand maybe for a trade for a year or two, but a 5-year investment, perhaps you would have to look it over again. Dom, is there anything you want to add?
No, I definitely agree. It's definitely kind of like a short term if you're interested, but I don't know if long term right away is what you kind of want to do unless you're really head set and investing in Toast.
Yeah, fair enough. All right, thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Thank you, Dom.
Thank you.